Hello everyone. Today I am going to share with you curry leaves yani kadi patta powder. This is very much healthy. It reduces the stress, cholesterol and stress, improves the hair growth, and diabetic patients also it is very much useful, and morning sickness it relieves, and very much good for health everyone. And this is useful for everyone, and you can try this curry patta leaves powder in many ways. With rice you can have it, and in curries you can put it. An Indian pizza I have prepared already, so in that also I have sprinkled a little bit of curry leaves powder. You can use it in many ways. It's good for health. So without wasting much time, let's get into the preparation. For preparation of curry leaves powder, I have taken 3 cups of curry leaves. It is thoroughly washed and dried. There is no water at all. You can see there is no water. Now in a pan, I have taken here red chilies. It's around 6 to 7. No seeds. I have already taken out the seeds. No seeds. Never take the seeds. It is not good for the health. And also we'll put coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon, and a half teaspoon cumin seeds. Just fry for 1 or 2 minutes. It started sparkling. Now we'll take it out. In the same pan, we'll take the curry leaves. Two teaspoons of oil, and on low flame fry it around 2 to 3 minutes. It should become dry. Now 5 minutes are over. It has become dry now. You can hear the sound. So the dry sound. Now we'll switch off the flame. We'll allow it to cool. In a mixer jar, we'll put all these items. Already we have fried chilies and coriander, cumin seeds, and we'll churn this. Now we'll add 4 garlic pieces. Once again we'll grind it. Now we'll add this curry leaves, dry curry leaves. Now we'll add half teaspoon of salt. We'll grind it once again. Nice aroma you're finding here. Now our curry leaves powder is ready to serve. Take this into any airtight container. You can use it 10 to 15 days easily. Serve this curry leaves powder with any South Indian breakfast items like idli, dosha, uttappam, any items you can take. Even with hot rice, if you can add a little bit of ghee, so you'll get a very nice taste. And also when you make any kind of curries like bendi fry or any other fry items, you can just add 1 teaspoon on this so that entire family can use it properly. So do try this recipe, healthy recipe, and share your experience with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay healthy, stay fit. Thank you all.